अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ हमजा मुश्ताक बट। तो मुझे उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अपने मामूल के टॉपिक से ज़रा हट के कोई वीडियो बनाई जाए। तो मेरे दोस्त ने एक वीडियो सजेस्ट किया, तो आज हम उस वीडियो पर रिएक्ट करेंगे। तो वीडियो का जो टॉपिक है वो है तो फूड के ऊपर। तो अब फूड कईयों की पहली मोहब्बत भी होती है और कईयों की सोच का आगाज़ भी फूड से होता है और अख्ताम भी फूड से ही होता है। तो आज हम भी कोशिश करेंगे कि आगाज़ भी अपनी वीडियो का जो फूड के टॉपिक के ऊपर ही करें और अख्ताम भी फूड के ऊपर ही करें। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो पर रिएक्ट अपना देना। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Guys, check it out. It's Trevor James. We are in the world famous Peshawar, one of the ancient market cities of the world. And today we're bringing you for an ultimate street food adventure. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is a long time dream of mine to bring you here. Let's check it out.
Today, we're bringing you in full on for 7 incredible street foods in Peshawar, one of the world's cultural and historical gems right here in Pakistan. And we're visiting the famous Nisar Charsi, directly translated as the Pot Smokers Meat Lounge, famous all across Pakistan and the world for having the best kebabs in the country. So make sure to watch all the way until the end, because you're gonna love the food in this video. Let's eat.
And this is just incredible here. There's so many street foods, and we just got into Peshawar. Look at this, guys. Wow. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. ये क्या है?
ये गोश्त है, चावल।
Oh, gosht.
गोश्त चावल।
Gosht. So we've got pulao. Beef pulao. Look at this mountain of beef pulao rice. Tasty. Dar mazedar.
Yes.
Mazedar. Oh. Wow. Look at this mountain, guys. That's a huge mountain of beef bones. The bones.
Yes.
The beef bones. It's just huge, and you can see chickpeas and raisins, and it's scooped up, and we got a huge group of people eating in there. So we're gonna try it out. Can I get egg plate, please? Egg plate.
एक
Egg plate. Egg plate. Yes, please. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. With oh yeah, super tender looking beef. You can smell. Oh, you can smell cardamom and cinnamon and masala and the dates. Nice. Thank you. Bye. Can you slurp the bone marrow?
Yes.
Is it good? This is an ancient city I've long dreamed of visiting, and today we are here. It's finally here. Oh, and look at that beef. Oh, and we're gonna get a big bone. Thank you. Bye. Beautiful. Peshawar. Mazadar. Oh, the bone marrow. Slurp it. Thank you. We're gonna go try it out, guys. And here we are, guys. We got the ultimate beef pulao, sitting on stools eating this. Look at that. Oh, and look at that. They're just giving us extra chickpea and raisin. Oh, and meat. It's just pure heaven there. Thank you, bye. You can really smell cinnamon and the sweetness from dates. And there's just huge chunks of beef in there. And we got a bonus huge beef bone full of the marrow, and you can just pound it and the marrow should come out. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's almost all out. That is the pure flavor enhancer. One of the most naturally rich fats you'll ever taste. And we're just gonna take a scoop of this extra fatty looking beef, full of that sweet, cinnamony, raisiny goodness. And this is in Peshawar, one of the most ancient market towns in the world. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, that's fantastic. It's slightly sweet from those raisins and cinnamony. That is next level flavor. Amazing. And no one's taking our money here in Pakistan. No, no, we got extra beef. Please, please. I feel so guilty. It's the land of hospitality here.
He said you are our guest, so dear favor. So we will not
No money.
receive no money.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Incredible, guys. Just amazing here in Peshawar. And there's just so much here, guys. Right up here, I think we found a little whipped cream fruit chat. Let's go try it out. Kaise ho, sahab? Assalamu alaikum. Wow, hi. Good, how are you? So, ye kya hai? Fruit chat. Oh, fruit chat.
You check.
It looks really good. Can we get egg plate? Fruit chat? One, please. Oh, and we're gonna make a plate right here. Look at that. That's just a mountain. That's just a mountain of banana and apple and whipped cream. He's putting nuts on. Wow. That is amazing. And some rose syrup. This is so cool. Thank you, bye. Thank you. Look at that. It's like a whipped cream with rose syrup. We got apple and banana, guava. He put some sunflower seeds on there. Oh, and that rose syrup looks really nice. Oh, wow. It was really good. Very good. Very good.
100% right. Well, this one.
Right here.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Yeah. Amazing. Wow. Okay, we're gonna keep exploring, guys. Thank you. Thank you. And this is just amazing, guys. These alleyways of Peshawar are filled with life. We've got chickens and fish, so many street stalls around. We're gonna keep exploring. There's so much food to try today. Let's go see what we can find. Oh, and I think we just found, assalamu alaikum. Wow, the pizza naan. Pizza naan. Wow, very nice. Mazadar. Mazadar. Wow. Look at this, guys. We've got one of the most unique naans right out of the tandoor. The tomato and coriander and potato, full of ghee, and it's coming right out of that tandoor. We're making them in the back. And this is just amazing, guys. We just got invited to look in the back at how they make these magical pizza naans. And here we go, guys. We're going in to the pizza naan. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. This is the pizza naan. The naan. Oh, pizza naan. Wow. Mazadar. Mazadar. Look. Thank you so much. And you can see we've got these pizza naans covered in a mashed potato, coriander, tomato. Oh, delicious spread. And we're just pumping them into this tandoor. Wow. Right in there. That's incredible, guys. The pizza naan, and they just came out of the oven. Look at that. Just came out, yeah. Wow. Right on that and into the tandoor. There they are, super hot over the flame there. And you can smell the tomato and the coriander. Wow. Mazadar. Peshawar. The Peshawar naan. The special. Yeah. And this is just incredible watching the pizza naan, the special naan in Peshawar. Wow. This is so beautiful. Shukriya. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. There it is. And we're gonna get a local green tea here too. This hospitality in Pakistan is amazing. Wow. We're gonna cover it in oil. Ooh. Beautiful. Amazing. This is incredible, guys. Coming to Peshawar is just so nice. Shukriya. And we got local green tea. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That's the chef right here. Very good. The special. Oh, wow. Very nice. And I just took a bite right out of the front. It's actually quite salty. And it's got a light coriander flavor. It's like a salty coriander infused naan with tomato and potato. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you next time. That was incredible. And we've just entered the spice market. Oh, and look at this, guys. We're making a local masala here, just by heart. He knows exactly the right proportions and ratios to make a delicious masala that you can make curries and tons of Pakistani recipes with. Oh, wow. That is super cool. Tons of spice in there. You can smell, oh, cumin and chili and masala and turmeric and, oh, that is beautiful. Wow. And it goes right in that bucket and it's sold to all these locals. Just goes in the bag and that is perfect to make your curries with. Wow, local masala. The Peshawari masala.
Masala.
The Peshawar masala.
Masala.
Yeah. Wow.
Masala.
Wow. Very good. Thank you very much. And we're going to keep exploring. Thank you.
Baba.
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 Wow.
Pakistan Baba.
Pakistan Baba.
Pakistan Baba.
And it is lunchtime now, guys. There's tons of food out. Look at this. We found a local snack. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. Kaise ho, chacha? Look at this. Oh, ye kya hai? Sag? Sag. Oh, wow. We found a home-cooked Pakistani food. Sag. Oh, and that's it there. This is sag. It's a mustard greens gravy with chili. And he's mixing it with, oh, lassi. We're gonna get this sag, this mustard greens with a lassi. And right here, we've got corn bread. This is all home-cooked Pakistani food. Can I get egg plate sag, please? Cha-cha. Thank you. Oh, and look at this, guys. So we're just tearing up that corn flour bread in a bowl here. Wow. And that is going to be mixed with the sag, I believe. Oh, and here comes the magic here. That is lassi. Look at that, guys. We're mixing the corn flour bread with lassi, curd, and ice. And then here comes... Oh, oh, and we're just mixing that up. Look at that, corn flour bread, lassi on the streets of Peshawar. And then here comes the real joy. This is home cooked. You can only get this home cooked. Wow, that is the mustard green gravy. And here we are, guys. That's like a mashed mustard greens paste. And you can mix it all through that beautiful cornbread and lassi mix. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, wow. Wow. That is really unique. Very nice. The Peshawari sag. Mmm. It's actually quite sour and mustardy. And the cornbread is really wholesome. It's got that rich, it's got that smooth, hearty corn flavor with the sour and really mustardy sag. And then of course the lassi is cold and refreshing and a little sour as well because it's yogurt. Really nice. Thank you, Chacha.
For dieting, okay.
Very good.
For dieting.
Oh, dieting?
Yes.
For diet. Thank you. Shukriya. Very nice. This is just amazing. Thank you, Chacha. Really cool here in Peshawar. And we're gonna finish this and go see what else there is. There's so much food here. Awesome, guys. And we're just exploring this beautiful old city. And right up here, there's a famous meat joint, Nisar Charsi Kebabs, also known as the Pot Smokers Meat Lounge, because the owner had a habit. And right here, they're gonna be making mutton karahi, this delicious mutton stew, and also mutton tikka. And look at this, guys. We've got, oh, lamb heaven. Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. Nazar Charsi. Wow. Very special. With the karahi and the tikka. Oh.
Sada Pakistan.
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 Very special. Sada Pakistan. Yeah. Thank you.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan.
Zindabad.
He came here. Oh.
Okay.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan.
Wow.
Okay.
And this is all the mutton. Wow. Look at that. So we're gonna get this in the karahi. Karahi, barbecue, and tikka. Nisar Charsi tikka. Wow, and just look at that, guys. That's Nisar Charsi, the legend himself.
Neve Pakistan, Imran Khan.
Imran Khan,
Zindabad.
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 And look at this. And we're just chopping that. Yeah. Nisar Charsi Zindabad. And look how we're cutting it there. Oh, and you can just see there's so much meat and fat there. Oh, and we're gonna take a look at the karahi, guys. Look at this ultimate karahi station. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, how are you? Kaise ho sahab?
Nisar Charsi.
Right here, Nisar
Sara
Charsi.
Pakistan Peshawar.
The most famous right here. Beautiful.
Hello.
This is just incredible. Oh, and there it is. We are gonna get one of these baby lamb here, full of that rich fat. Look at all those fat chunks in there. And then we're gonna put potato and tomato and just a bit of light salt. And that's all it's gonna be. Wow, full tomato. Superstar. Superstar. Pakistan superstar. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, and we're just putting in green chili. Wow. Shimachake. Oh, supernatural. Super special. Superstar. Superstar karahi. Wow. Yeah. Special. Wow, and it's finished now. Thank you. Shukriya. We're gonna go try it out. And now we're in the back barbecue area here. And this is the barbecue.
Barbecue.
Oh.
Barbecue.
Look at those big shanks there. Tasty.
Nisar Charsi.
Nisar Charsi barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
And the fat. The fat.
The chumps.
The chops.
The golboti.
Gulboti.
Or the lot.
Lot the fat.
Lot.
And then, oh.
Garam.
Oh, powerful. Oh, and there they are. Look at those beauties. Giant ribs. Nisar Charsi ribs.
Nisar Charsi.
Beautiful. And that is just gonna be so succulent. Lamb flesh. We've got the smell of kebab smoke and also weed smoke. Nisar Charsi is enjoying the charsi. And the charsi. Amazing. We're gonna go try this out.
Oh, Rati 12 baje na baad tang 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 tang
Tang tang tang.
tang tang tang.
Thank you, Charsi. Wow, there it is. The karahi. Look at that. Shukriya. Wow. We have the ultimate Peshawari feast here. We've got this lamb karahi. And you can see delicious chunks of lamb flesh and so much fat. And this is full. They put big chunks of tomatoes and chili and salt. No masala in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, and you can just scoop up that fatty, delicious lamb flesh. First thing we gotta do here is just take a big bite of that lamb karahi here at Nisar Charsi Tikka. Oh, tomato and fat just infused into there. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, whoa. That is incredibly delicious. It's seasoned perfectly with salt. We are right beside the salt market. It has no masala and it's seasoned with the salt and the natural fat flavor from the lamb. That's all you need right there. Thank you. Superstar cook. Thank you. Wow. Amazing. That was just fantastic, guys. Thank you. Thank you. And we are going to finish with some Pakistani green tea because we are actually close to China. So there's a connection here. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. The green tea. Look at this, guys. Wow. We've got the ultimate green tea station here. Except here, you can get it with milk. Oh, tea. Tasty. So we take this hot water and we put green tea in and cardamom. Look at this. Cardamom right there. Look at this. Cardamom goes right in. Boom. And sugar. Amazing. Thank you. And we're just gonna finish off with a local Peshawari green tea. And there it is, guys, the Peshawari green tea. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. The Peshawari green tea. Oh yeah. A little sweet and cardamom. Beautiful. Cheers. 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 Very nice. And I would love to hear from you guys down below in the comments. This has just been the best time ever in Pakistan. This is just the beginning of our Peshawar food adventure. So make sure to click that subscribe and little bell notification button so you don't miss any of these videos.
दोस्तों ये थी आज की वीडियो। काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़ा आया इस वीडियो के अंदर इस वीडियो को देख के। कई जगहों पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हंसी भी आई। तो वीडियो काफ़ी मज़े की थी, काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़े की थी। इसके अंदर डिफरेंट उसने जो फूड दिखाया उसको देख के वाकई में काफ़ी ज़्यादा भूख लग गई है। तो जो चीज़ें उसने दिखाई, दूसरा हॉस्पिटैलिटी पाकिस्तान की भी और उसकी भी फूड रेंजर्स की भी हॉस्पिटैलिटी दोनों की काफ़ी ज़्यादा कमाल की है। जब वो कई जगहों पे गया उन्होंने पैसे उससे नहीं लिए, उससे मनी नहीं ले रहे थे। ये हमारी भी हॉस्पिटैलिटी है, ठीक है। हमारा एक बड़ा दिल है कि जब भी कोई लोग विजिटर हमारी कंट्री में हमारी फूड को या हमारी कंट्री के प्लेसेस को विज़िट करने आता है तो हम उसको अपने बड़े दिल से वेलकम करते हैं। तो ये एक मतलब हमारे जो कंट्री का एक फेस बाय दूसरी कंट्री के अंदर एक फैला हुआ था कि दहशतगर्दी की वजह से, वो अब इनके विज़िट से काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता जा रहा है। तो जहाँ तक फूड की बात है, हर फूड काफ़ी मज़े का था, बहुत मज़े का था। और विश भी है कि मैं पेशावर जाके ये वाले सारे फूड जो है ट्राई करूं और इंशाल्लाह आगे भी मैं कई रिएक्शन वीडियो भी बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी मज़े की है और इसमें काफ़ी फ़न भी है, एंटरटेनिंग भी है। तो जहाँ तक अब मुझे लास्ट वाली बात है चर्सी, वो मज़े का था काफ़ी ज़्यादा। वो सीन जो है जब वो कहता है कि पाकिस्तान और इमरान खान जिंदाबाद, बहुत मज़े का सीन था वहाँ पे। तो मुझे उम्मीद है आपको भी मज़ा आया होगा इस वीडियो में। तो मेरे चैनल को अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें या लाइक लाजमी करें वीडियो को और शेयर करें ताकि मेरी वीडियो और लोग देख के इसको एंजॉय कर सकें। तो इसी के साथ मुझे दें इजाज़त। इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।